Hey everybody, welcome to Oscar Reviews and welcome to tuning in. If you guys want to see a first impressions on Real Her makeup, please stay tuned. Hey everybody, so here we are with the first impressions with Real Her makeup, and I was sent these products about 2 to 3 weeks ago, and I'm just now doing it. I really do apologize about that, but I was sent these products. They sent me an email. They asked me that I wanted to review, and I said, yeah, why not? So let's just give a little bit about this company, and then we're going to get into the products that were sent to me, okay? All right, so Real Her, we're going to read some of the mission is founded by 2 parents with their young daughters in mind. Our goal is to empower individuals, especially women, through makeup. We're the first brand that uses positive affirmations as shade names on each of our products. Each time you pick up a Real Her product, we want you to be reminded of your worth, okay? As a brand with a mission to empower, it is important for us to give back to our community. We donate to nonprofit organizations that align with our mission of community and women empowerment and help young women in Nigeria through the GEANCO Foundation. Our products are high quality makeup without the inflated pricing. Each of our luxury products are crafted with love, whether it is inspiring shade name or making sure you get the best formulations on the market, okay? Makeup that empowers. All right, so they have a lot of other products that you can see, and it says the Real Her mission: high quality, certified cruelty free, paraben free. Our mission is to empower individuals, especially women, through makeup. We're the first brand that uses positive affirmations. Okay, I read that. Okay, all right, and then yeah, so you could definitely go to the website and see more of the products. So basically their products are geared towards women empowerment, and they basically have the certain names on the products that definitely empower women, that gives you that good, like oomph, to when you're doing your makeup and you're reminded with the words and things of that sort. So I think that's awesome. I've never seen a makeup brand like that. This is one of the first makeup brands that I've ever seen, and I recently heard about this brand. I've never heard of it until recently, and I'm happy that they was able to reach out to me, and I'm happy that I'm able to review this product as first impressions to you guys and show you guys so you guys can get up on it as well, okay? So, and it's for a good cause, okay? So, oh Lord, yeah, I thought I was my mic. I'm having a terrible time on my mic. All right, so I did do a swatch already. So this is the Real Her. I'm gonna go close. Oh, my mic wasn't on, so I have to do this over again. So that's why you'll see the swatches already. So this is the Real Her 2 Shadow Make It Happen eyeshadow palette, okay? And this is what the palette's looking like. It has a mirror, and this is what it is here, okay? And I use the top row. So I use the lighter one, which is Driven. I use that for my eyebrow bone. The middle one, Limitless, I use that for the inner corners. And I use this one, I think it's Invincible. I use that on my overall as my overall eyeshadow, okay? All right, so it's called Driven, Limitless, Invincible, Bodacious, Dazzling, Indomitable, Awesome, Terrific, and Unshakable, okay? All right, so these are the swatches, okay? So I forgot which one I started out with. Okay, this one is Driven. All right, that's Driven. That's Driven. This is Limitless. This is Invincible, so this is what I have on my overall, okay? This is Bodacious. Okay. This is Dazzling. Okay, very nice. Indomitable. Very nice. Awesome. Bam. Okay, nice. Terrific. Ooh, see, that's that one right there, yep. And Unshakable. Very nice. I love that. I love the dark colors, okay? So that's it with that, and I love the names. The names are awesome, okay? We're going to stay up close, and we're going to go with the Ultimate Glow Getter, okay? I love that. You guys know I like to glow. So I love the marble. I love how it looks, very nice and elegant, very nice and sleek. I love the packaging. The packaging is very nice, okay? So here we go. This is the 3 colors. I did use Goddess, that's in the middle, and these 2 I'm going to show. So this is Blessed that I'm going to show first. Blessed is the pink one. That's Blessed here. Then Goddess. And then Incredible. Very neutral. It's very neutral. Okay, so that's it for that. The packaging is very nice. The packaging is nice for real, for the eyeshadow palette as well. All right, now we're going to go to the lippies. Okay, what I have on my lip is the ombre here, as you guys can see. I did use another product for the outside, the brown, but I'm not going to mention it here. It's all about real her. So yeah. So this is the I Am Confident here. This is the lip liner. This is what it's called, I Am Confident. It says it on here, as you guys will see. Oh, right here. Sorry. Okay, and this is it here. Right here, I am confident. Oh, wait a minute. Right here. Right here. Okay, I am confident. All right, and then since I already have it on there, this is Real Her. This is called I Am Enough, and this is it right here. It definitely dried matte. Which one? Right here, the middle one. This one right here. I Am Enough. Okay, that's what that is. Okay, and then the gloss one, I Am Radiant. And put it right over top of the one that's already there. I Am Radiant. Here it is. I like how it locks. Very nice. I like that. Oh wow, I like how it locks. I Am Radiant, Real Her. Oh, the packaging, I love that. You see that? Oh my gosh, I Am Radiant. This is very nice. I love the way it locks in. Okay, and there is the glossy one. This is the glossy one right here. Right there. Right there. Okay. I love the way it locks. Very nice. All right. And last but not least, we have the lippy. All right. Comes in this box here. Okay. And it's I Define Beauty Myself. Okay, so bam. This is a nice pink here. Okay, I Define Beauty Myself. Okay, and this is it right here. Okay, this big pink thing right here. There it is. Bam. Okay, I could use that for here. This is a moisturizing lipstick. Okay, all right. So yeah, the products definitely comes with a little. It came with this here. Okay. And it says, if you want to be a Real Ambassador program, you can go to realher.com or at realhermakeup or hashtag realher. And it says, thank you. We are Real Her. Donate a part of our proceeds to nonprofit organizations that help advance the lives of women and girls through scholarship programs, leadership, advocacy, education, and research here in the U.S. And it says, let these quotes act as a reminder and source of inspiration with each application. May you reinforce the meaning of the quote and boost your self-confidence. Remember, you are enough. Okay. And they have it in all of the products there. Okay, it says makeup that empowers, and this is very awesome. They have other products on there. They definitely reached out to me, and I definitely appreciate them for reaching out to me. I do appreciate it. I did not purchase these products. They were able to get these products for me to me for free. I'm sorry, and I was able to review the products, and for my first impressions, I think it's very good. The eyeshadow went on very nicely. It's not chalky. It went on very nicely. It definitely was compatible with my primer. I was not, having a hard time blending. The blendability was great. Okay, the blendability, that's a word in the makeup community. The blendability was great. I really do like the fact that it was able to, be cohesively together. You didn't have to blend as much for it to blend together, if you will. Because, you have some makeup eyeshadows you be blending forever. No, you don't have to blend as much with this. You blend at a nice, time, and you're good. You don't have to be forcing. You could do like a nice, and your Gucci or whatever. So it's awesome. I definitely like the fact that it's very empowering to us women out here and things of that sort. Is definitely uplifting. I've never seen that before. This is my first time seeing a makeup like this out here, and I definitely do appreciate them for that. It's very, very awesome. Also the lippy, the matte part is pretty good. Like, it definitely goes together. I definitely like the fact that I like matte stuff. I like it. It's just awesome. It's just awesome. I didn't try the moisturizing lipstick, but I love the glow. The glow. Okay, got that glow. Okay, it was very, very good. I like the glistening. It's very nice and like soft. Okay, the products are very soft to touch. Like the lippy, when I put it on my hand, it's soft. The lipstick, the moisturizing lipstick is moisturizing. It looks moisturizing on my hand. The matte is not drying. It's not too dry. You don't feel like you don't feel like you need to put like a whole bunch of Vaseline or something on your lips, whatever the case is. So it's very nice and, you know, it feels comfortable on your lips, if you will, okay? Even though it's on only the middle part, it feels comfortable. You know it's there, but it doesn't feel, you know, like it's like, ugh, like it's so dry to that you gotta lick your lips all the time. So yeah, so the products are definitely high quality to me. The product pricing is definitely good. It's not the inflated price like they said. I believe the eyeshadow palette was $28. The other products I'll definitely list it down below, or I annotate it in the video so you guys can see how much it is. It definitely is in my price range. I definitely would purchase them. So yeah, so I definitely would say go on their website, check them out, see what they got going on. It's definitely a great message out there. It's definitely empowering. It's great. It's very positive. I definitely do like that a lot about it. It's very creative. And once again, thank you so much for reaching out to me for me to review your products. I'm looking forward to, you know, reviewing more of your products. And they have other products as well, not just the products that I have, but they have other palettes and, you know, the eyeshadow palettes and things of that sort. So definitely go check them out and see what you could get. And once again, I'll definitely annotate the prices. I will put the website down below so you guys go check them out. And once again, thank you for sending me the products. I'm sorry I took so long, but you know, they sent this to me probably like 2 to 3 weeks ago. I'm definitely just now coming to you guys, and it definitely came in a nice pink Real Her. You knew it was from, you know, makeup. It said Real Her on it. It looked definitely nice and cute. So yeah, so I definitely liked it. All around, very elegant, very professional, very, very nice, and I definitely do like it, and I definitely wish well wishes to them. And that's just basically about that. So yeah, so I'm done, you guys. I don't have anything else. If I do, I'll give this 5 stars. 5 stars. I love it. I will recommend it to beginner makeup, anybody that wants to use this. And once again, I love the fact that you know, it has those, you know, empowering words on there. It's definitely embracing. Like, come on, y'all. Like, this is so nice. I love it. Oh my goodness. So yay, kudos. Very positive, very positive. And I think that's it, you guys. I'm done. If you guys have any questions, comment, concerns, please send an access. Thanks for watching. Peace. Bye.